Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you to the one of the most photogenic waterfalls, not just in Bali but possibly in the world. Kanto Lampo Waterfall. It's not just a hidden gem, it is a whole hidden photoshoot studio built by nature itself. So right now I am on my Gojek ride through the scenic roads of Bali. There is an entrance to the Kanto Lampo, and here you can see a beautiful mythological guardian figure which is typical in Balinese Hindu culture. Just after the entry here you have to write your name in the entrance register like you are entering a secret jungle club. The vibe here is already exciting. The welcome to Kanto Lampo Waterfall signboard, the beautiful atmosphere, pathways, the greenery and the Balinese divine security guard statues at the entrance. Here is the ticket counter. Entry is 20 to 30 IDR, that's about 1.5 to 2 USD depending on the day. Pretty affordable for what you are about to witness. I have got my ticket. Now time to head down the steps toward the waterfall. Stop for the ticket checking. Yes, I have ticket. और ये मेरी ticket पड़ी इसने और ये ticket दे दी. Thank you. The trail down is a little steep and rocky, so wear proper footwear. Carrying extra stuff, don't worry. There are lockers available for just 5k IDR. That's practically 25 cents. You will notice here the path is shaded and surrounded by jungle vibes. It already feels like a natural adventure. And there it is. Wow! Just look at that waterfall. Water cascades beautifully down black volcanic rock, creating natural steps that people stand on for those perfect Instagram shots. Crowded as always. Well, if you have probably seen those dreamy photos of people posing mid-waterfall, and that's here. This is an amazing spot. People can experience amazing energy here. Everyone is helping each other take photos, some even doing full-on shoots with professional photographers. Don't worry, there are locals available who will help click your photos for a small tip, and they are absolute pros at getting that perfect shot. So now I am going to enjoy it fully, and here I am. Yes, there is a lot of queue for on the rock photos, so come early in the morning if you want less crowd and better lighting. Perfect for couples wanting that quiet romantic moment before the chaos begins. And bring a dry bag or waterproof pouch for your phone or cameras, and a towel, because you will get wet and that's part of the fun. You can even swim here and enjoy the fresh water spring, but be careful, it is not that deep. And yes, you will definitely find a long queue of people. Breathtakingly beautiful. This place is so popular for a reason, crowded, but would not recommend skipping this. If you want to take photos under the main waterfall, then your waiting time could go even up to 1 hour to get to your turn. So the name Kanto Lampo actually comes from a local Balinese phrase referring to the area's history and rock formation. It is a spiritual spot for locals, not just a tourist attraction. It is formed naturally after a landslide redirected a river through a series of rocks. After some waiting, I got chance to climb up the rock with water flow. Kanto Lampo is considered one of the top most photographed waterfalls in Indonesia. The fresh air and cool water with force on my body felt like natural stress reliever, providing a refreshing sensation, forceful, stimulating like a natural massage in a beautiful spa, with a view of cheerful people watching me and waiting eagerly for their turn to take my place. I felt like I was in a paradise for some kind of Tarzan movie. This was my best waterfall moment so far. If you are coming to Bali, Kanto Lampo should be on your list, especially if you are into photography, nature, or just want a refreshing dip. There is something super powerful about standing under a waterfall. It's like therapy, but cheaper and wetter. Keeping balance is most important to avoid any accidental fall. Actually, the amazing vibe and the atmosphere of this place can't be described in the words. Doing postures and yoga is natural over here, which I did try and successfully done my favorite poses and some simple dance steps too. Honestly, had the best time here. I laughed, I slipped a little, I posed like a pro and made some new friends from around the world. People spend hours here soaking in the vibe, taking photos and just enjoying the beauty of the nature.
Okay.
Was it worth it? Absolutely yes. Even if you come late in the day like I did, you will still be enjoying this place. Located in Gianyar Regency, just a 25 minutes drive from Ubud, you can take Gojek or Grab to come here. And waterfall entry is cash only. They have nice changing area and toilets are clean and free. And you can take as many pictures and videos as you can while you are here. Time to, as I mentioned earlier, the best time to visit is in morning 8 a.m. और मैंने अच्छा एंजॉय कर लिया. I am YouTuber. That's why.
Don't forget subscribe,
Yeah.
like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Come to Bali.
Yeah. Waterfall. Waterfall. Friends, that's all from the Kanto Lampo Waterfall here in Ubud for today. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. So let me know in the comments, would you be brave the slippery walks for the perfect photo? Until next time, stay adventurous, keep exploring, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Take care and bye bye from beautiful Bali.